Please note the right way to insert cartridges. Turn off the power. Insert the cartridge slowly and gently to the stand and put down the lid. The same way to take away the cartridge. Chapter 2. Control Center Installation and the main functions. First, connect the computer and plotter with LAN cable. Insert the CD into the driver. Open and run the dotnetfx.exe file. Then install our control center. Follow the plotter setup wizard to finish the settings. In case not connected with the LAN, then close the interface now. In case connected with the LAN, change the IP address the same as while the plotter is working. The way to set the plotter to factory default data. First, press pause and the pause light will be on. Press up and down at the same time. After hearing the IP address and parameters will be back to our factory default setup data. Open the control center. Click Setup, Plot Parameters, Plot Type, THUheit, Save. Input the parameters on the paper into Control Center. Set the right start head position. Now let me introduce the main functions of the Control Center. Directory. Choose one folder. Put all those files need to be printed in this folder. Click Directory and click Auto Plot. Then the plotter will print all the files. File. Choose the file you want to print. Click it, then the plotter will print this file. Merge. Click Merge and then choose some small files. Our control center will arrange these small files together and print them. split. For example, the max printing width of the plotter is 165 cm, but now you want to print 1.8 meter file. Then you can use this function. Click Setup, Plot Parameter, Other, File Width 16. Then click Split. Then our control center will split the file into two files and print. Also, you can choose a rotate function to rotate the file and then to print. Stack the same shape files which are in different size together to print. Auto plot. All the files will be printed automatically. Auto split. All the files will be split automatically. Backup. You should back up the plotter parameters in your computer. In case encounter problems, you can restore the parameters. In case the plotter stopped suddenly while not finished the printing, you can continue the file by inputting the lines quantity while stopped in the initial print lines, then can continue the print. Help. You can find the plotter information and manual in the help. Now I will introduce you the two functions of our POPJET C-Z series. One is auto-feeding option. The other is feeding paper use the take-up bar. Now the first function, auto-feeding option. When using auto-feeding option, you have two ways to use the plotter. The first one, to print the paper on the floor directly in auto-feeding option. Here you need to be careful with the following 2 points. First, choose the right sandpaper model in the control center. Second, put down the encoder roller and also you have to put down the feeder paper roller. Second, take paper on the take-out bar in auto-feeding option. Note, the aluminum tension bar is only used in the front slide slot. The steel tension bar is only used in the back slide slot. You also need to put down the encoder roller and feeder roller, and also the right sandpaper model in our control center. The second function, paper feeding using take-out bar. Lift the handle at the back of the plotter, so the feed paper rollers will be lifted. Put down the encoder roller. This is very important. Choose the right sandpaper model in our control center. Stick paper in the right way on our take-up bar. Keep the paper stretched tight and make sure the edge of paper at both sides are in alignment. Stick paper on the take-up bar from middle position to both sides. Make sure the paper is smooth and tight. Chapter 3. After-Sales Service. Here, after-sales service contains two parts. Adjustable problems in the control center. Unadjustable problems. First, adjustable problems. Accuracy calibration. Calibrate the accuracy after changing paper roll because sometimes the paper thickness is different, so you need to adjust the accuracy. Use the CAD to draw an 1x1 meter file and print it. Measure the actual data with a ruler and input the data in the control center. Click Save. Our control center will calculate automatically. Bidirectional printing adjustment. In case print line quality problems. In case line quality problems, you can print the file in our CD, which is specially for line quality adjustment. Then follow below steps. Step 1. Print mark by single printing, not bidirectional printing. Change cartridge 1 positive or change cartridge 2 positive. In case line quality good, then do step 2. Step 2. Print mark by bidirectional printing. Change cartridge 1 negative or change cartridge 2 negative. Step 3. After step 1 and step 2, middle line's quality should be okay. In case left side or right side line quality not good enough, then change rest uneven data. Total 8 data can be changed. Note: ink cartridge must be vertical with plotter's guide, cannot turn left or turn right. Nozzle surface must be parallel with plotter's main beam. Second, uneven deviation 1 only for lines which are within 5 cm area from marker's left side or 5 cm from marker's right side. Third, uneven deviation 2 only for lines which are within 10 cm area from marker's left side or 10 cm from marker's right side. Problems cannot be adjusted in the control center. Alarm signal is on for 2 seconds and off for 1 second. There are maybe 2 reasons. First, in case the light error and in-out are on the same time, please check and change the cartridge. If problem not solved, maybe something wrong with the printing PCB board. Second, cartridge device move to the left slowly and hit the plotter right plate. You need to set the in-cartridge detector interval as 0 in our control center. Alarm signal is on 1 second and off 2 seconds. There may be 4 reasons. First, if the cartridge device stopped during printing and the position is arbitrary, can be here and there, push the cartridge device to the middle position and check where it can go back to the start right position. If it can go back, that means the Y model may have some problem. Second, in case the print speed is very slow and the plotter stopped at any position, maybe 2 control centers are in operation. Third, in case the plotter gives alarm every time you click plot, there is something wrong with the printing PCB board. Or if the plotter can give alarm signal during printing while stop at the same position, there is something wrong with the printing PCB board. Fourth, when you turn on the plotter, the cartridge device cannot go back to the start position. Maybe something wrong with the printing PCB board or driving PCB board. Alarm signal is on every 0.5 seconds. There are maybe 7 reasons. First, check the encoder roller has been put down or not. Second, something wrong with the driving PCB board. Third, check the control center settings. Fourth, speed monitor's problem. Fifth, in case the plotter gives alarm when beginning to print, please check the setup is right or not in the control center, and the control center version is right or not. Sixth, Y model's problem. Seventh, printing PCB board problem. The lines are deviated more and more serious during printing and the cartridge device hits the plate. There are maybe 2 reasons. First, gear belt is too loose and please tighten it. Second, Y model is damaged. Print ink looks abnormal. There are maybe 4 reasons. First, please check the cartridge damaged or not. Second, printing PCB board damaged or not. Third, printing head PCB board damaged or not. Fourth, flat cable damaged or not. Paper feeding cannot stop, or when you turn on the plotter, do not feed paper. There are maybe 3 reasons. First, please check the sensors damaged or not. Use a metal object to close the sensor. In case when you approach it, the LED is on and darken when you take away, that means the sensor is okay. In case LED is on all the time or not on, that means the sensor is damaged. Second, driving PCB board is damaged. Third, feeding motor is damaged.